Now let me show you another cool way to set up alerts, especially on buy it nows, so you can snipe the buy it nows. It's a website called stuffalert.com. When you go to stuffalert.com, you can set up alerts there, and they'll send you an email when they find the item you're looking for. Like as soon as that item is listed, you'll get an alert. So here's what it looks like once you're in the account and you're filling in the information. You're going to put in your keywords here. Now, if you use some of the creative searches that I talked about, like Sean T and quotation marks minus insanity, you can do that here, and that way Stuff Alert will only run that search for you. Step 2, you choose the eBay site that you want to search. Now, of course, if you're in the United States, you're going to want to choose United States, but you can also choose eBay sites outside of the United States and have it search for you there. Then you can choose a category or just leave that as all. I would leave it as all. You can select the buying formats like auction or buy it now, and the condition of the item, as well as whether you wanted to search both the title and the description for your keyword phrase. And then you can even search a price range. So this is a very cool tool you're going to want to check out. Then click on Find, and you are now setting up your alert. That's very, very simple the way it's set up. And with Stuff Alert, you can set up alerts on international eBay sites as well. So if you want to have this alert come in from the UK or from Spain or one of any other number of eBay sites, you can set up alerts all over the world. And this would be especially important if you're looking for high dollar items or high-end items that you can find all over the world. Very, very powerful tool. So now you have a couple of different ways to snipe the buy it nows.